Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to take you through a quick video tour of a Volvo V50. So this is our 57 plate Volvo V50 SE Lux. It's covered just over 94,000 miles from new. It's had one previous owner and it's got a whopping 16 service stamps, with 13 of them being main dealer stamps. Cambelt was changed at 83,000 miles, and whilst in our care, we've refurbished the alloys, changed all the discs and pads, given it a fresh MOT, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, along with giving it a service. It's the D5 5-cylinder 2.4 diesel engine with the automatic gearbox. The D5 engines are really nice engines. Inside, you've got these lovely, comfortable leather seats, electrically adjustable in the front with memory function. Got cruise control, AM/FM radio, power fold mirrors, electric windows all round. It's all in really lovely condition. Nice, big, comfortable leather seats in the back. Again, great condition for the age and mileage. And in the boot, loads of room, load cover there as well with the dog guard that pops up, hooks into the roof. All in really good condition. Couple little marks here and there, certainly not bad for the age of mileage. Tyres are all in good condition. You've got Pirellis on the front as well. This is clearly a well looked after car. Very nice motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.